Hello everybody, this is Shankar from System Based Labs, and here we are, video 20, the final video in this AI ML micro series. Over the last 19 videos, we explored AI from multiple angles, not just the technology, but the reality around it. We spoke about machine learning, data, bias, hallucinations, drift, edge cases, explainability, testing, monitoring, validation, and building systems that survive real world conditions. And now, before we close this journey, we step back and ask the most important question of all. What does the future of AI actually look like? Not the social media version, not the marketing version, the real version. Because the future is not built by hype, it is built by decisions. A lot asterisk will asterisk change. And we should acknowledge that honestly, AI will become faster, cheaper, more integrated, and more accessible than ever before. You will see AI embedded into workflows, applications, dashboards, customer support, analytics, testing systems, business operations, healthcare, finance, education, and almost every industry. Analytics, testing systems, business operations, healthcare, finance, education, and almost every industry. Many repetitive tasks will absolutely become automated. Decision support systems will become common. AI assistants will become normal. And yes, some jobs will evolve dramatically. But here is where maturity matters. Evolution does not automatically mean replacement. That is where the conversation becomes misleading. Because history already showed us something important. Technology changes asterisk how asterisk humans work, not whether humans matter. The calculator did not eliminate mathematicians. Spreadsheets did not eliminate finance. Search engines did not eliminate thinking. And AI will not eliminate human relevance either. It will change workflows. It will change expectations. It will change productivity. But it will not eliminate the need for judgment, accountability, ethics, and context. Ethics and context. Now let's talk about what will asterisks, not asterisks, change. And this part is critical. AI will continue to be pattern-based, probabilistic, data-dependent, which means AI can still hallucinate, drift, misclassify, misunderstand, and fail under uncertainty. That reality does not disappear just because models become more advanced. A more advanced mistake is still a mistake. And we must remember something dangerous. AI can scale errors faster than humans. A human mistake may affect one person. A badly deployed AI system, it can affect thousands very quickly. And this is why blind optimism is dangerous. Because AI systems can sound intelligent without actually understanding. That distinction matters enormously. The future will absolutely become more automated. But automation without oversight creates fragile systems. And fragile systems eventually fail reality. Now we come to the most important truth in this entire series. Humans remain critical, especially where consequences exist, ambiguity exists, ethics exist, uncertainty exists, and accountability matters. AI can recommend, AI can predict, AI can assist, but humans decide, humans validate, humans take responsibility. And responsibility cannot be outsourced. That is a deeply important idea. Because organizations sometimes become obsessed with speed, automation, efficiency, and scale. But in chasing efficiency, they sometimes remove judgment, and that becomes dangerous. The strongest future will not belong to companies that simply use AI. It will belong to companies that use AI responsibly. That difference matters because irresponsible AI scales problems. Responsible AI scales value. And that distinction will define trust in the future. So, what does the real future actually look like? Not AI versus humans, AI plus humans. That is the real picture. AI handles speed, scale, repetition, pattern detection, and large volume processing. Humans handle judgment, ethics, interpretation, context, creativity, and responsibility. That combination is powerful. And honestly, That combination is already happening. The future is not about removing humans, it is about redefining human contribution. And the professionals who survive and thrive will not be the people who blindly resist AI, nor the people who blindly worship AI. It will be the people who understand AI clearly. So, after 20 videos, what should we carry forward? Simple. Continue questioning systems, continue validating outputs, continue monitoring drift, continue testing edge cases, continue focusing on business impact, not hype. Continue designing for reliability, not demo. Because the future of AI will not be defined by technology alone. It will be defined by how humans choose to use it. That is the real responsibility, not just building systems, building trustworthy systems, not just creating automation, creating meaningful outcomes, and not just scaling intelligence, scaling wisdom. Let's pause one final time and reflect on what we learned in this series. We learned AI is powerful, but not magical. We learned systems can fail silently. We learned accuracy can mislead. We learned bias can hide. We learned monitoring matters, validation matters, testing matters, human judgment matters, and ultimately, we learned something even more important. True intelligence is not in building AI, it is in thinking clearly about AI. This was video 20 of 20, the conclusion of our AI ML micro series, designed for testers, validation specialists, business analysts, data analysts, big data professionals, and domain experts. The future of AI is not about what machines become, it is about what humans choose to become alongside them. This is Shankar from System Based Labs. Thank you for being part of this journey. Good luck and goodbye.